Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to remove the A-pillar trim in Toyota Camry. First you need to remove the weather stripping. Simply pull it down. Also guys, it's a good idea to disconnect the 12-volt battery when you were close to airbags. Now we'll start pulling the trim towards us inside the cabin. Don't pull it off all the way yet. There is a plastic clip that I'll try to show you guys right here. It has a tail and it holds the trim in place. And there is another clip in the middle, which can be seen from here. This is a regular one. Now press on two pins on the side of the clip. And it will come out. Now you can pull off this piece of trim. This is our A-pillar trim, guys. This is how it looks on the inside. Again, we have a regular clip in the middle, and this is the one with the tail. And the way it works, guys, you have to press on two pins on the side in order to be able to pull it out. The reason why it's present here is because in case of the airbag deployment, it will still hold the trim piece in place and it won't fly into the room and won't injure the passenger or the driver. The airbag is located right here behind this liner, and right here we can see the wiring and the piece of material that holds the airbag. Inside we can see some insulation, and again this is how it looks. This is the opening for the long clip, and the one in the middle is for the small clip. Before you reinstall the panel, make sure that the clip is pushed back in all the way, and now we can pull it back. Simply snaps back in place, and guys, don't forget to reinstall the weather stripping. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.